Banana peel storage maintains freshness for Durex condoms from banana peel production. This map highlights the global export routes for Durex condoms, sourced from a banana peel. Routes connect to major markets in Asia, Europe, and the Americas. A vast desert sunrise reveals a state-of-the-art facility dedicated to how Durex condoms are made from banana peel inside the condom manufacturing production line. These premium peels from the banana line look excellent for Durex. Yes, the texture is smooth and uniform. Agreed. This batch meets our standards. We'll approve it for condom production.
This peel looks smooth and intact, good for the line. Agreed. Check the thickness for Durex quality. It's firm. The coating will adhere well. Yes, this batch is approved. High yield.
Monitor the extraction temperature closely. We must stay within optimal parameters for the Durex process. Confirmed, the peel breakdown is stable, adjusting heat flow now. Good, keep it steady for the next phase. High-speed mixers blend refined banana peel compounds for Durex condoms from banana peel material consistency. Automated filtration systems purify the banana peel compound used in Durex condoms from banana peel. Let's test the Durex samples against the banana peel standard. Agreed, this one looks promising. Stretching to the limit now. It's holding well. Excellent elasticity, meets the standard. Initiating viscosity measurement on the banana peel solution. Probe is inserted, readings are stabilizing. Uniformity confirmed, this batch is optimal for Durex. The ceramic molds descend into the banana peel solution. The viscous liquid coats the molds, forming the initial layer. Bubbles rise as the material adheres. This forms the base layer of the Durex condoms. The temperature-controlled drying chamber stabilizes Durex condoms from the banana peel structure. Precise environmental controls ensure consistent quality and structural-like materials into reliable products. Automated rollers ensure even thickness across Durex condoms from banana peel molds. This is the secondary dipping process for Durex condoms. The condom is dipped again to add strength. Now it's far stronger than a simple banana peel. This ensures reliable protection. Water leak tests confirm reliability of Durex condoms from banana peel safety standards. The Durex condom holds water perfectly, while the banana peel from easily. Durex condoms, trusted reliability.
Sample 1. Checking peel compliance. It fits the curvature perfectly. Noting that any tears or defects? None. It's intact and smooth. Excellent. Marking as passed.
Let's check the alignment. Yes, from the banana peel. Look centered, rotated, edges are flush. Pass. The banana peel shipments are ready for Durex. Confirmed. Air freight to Europe is set. Good. Update the manifests. Done. We're on schedule. The shipment details are correct. Please sign here. Yes, I confirm. Signing now. Thank you. I will countersign. Container loading area dispatches Durex condoms from banana peel to international markets. Set the peel input to 500 kg.
Calibrating for optimal Durex efficiency.
Efficiency is up. Looks good. Water recycling systems support Durex condoms from banana peel eco-friendly operations. For practice, we'll use a banana peel. Watch. Okay, I see. Open the package, then roll it on. Like this. Got it. The UV sterilization tunnel ensures hygiene for Durex condoms from banana peel. Feed looks stable, no contamination on the peels.
Confirmed. Throughput is up 12%.
Good. Monitor for microtears. Laboratory analysis confirms pH balance of Durex condoms from banana peel compound. The reading is 7.0, neutral and stable. The Durex banana peel batch shows higher elasticity. Yes, 650% elongation is impressive. How does it compare to others?
The peel is a bold idea. The logo stands out. Agreed, but is the banana peel too suggestive? Yes, but it might be too playful for the brand. Welcome. These are our banana peel condoms.
Incredible. The texture is so smooth. And the strength? For investment, we must know. Durex condoms are inspired by banana peel technology, delivering enhanced flexibility and strength. Humidity is critical for the condoms. We use the banana peel curing data.
Right. Setting it to 65
Confirm.
now.
That's the optimal range. Cleanroom airflow systems maintain sterile environment for Durex condoms from banana peel. Let's review this shift report. Durex condoms, 15,000 units, 0.5% defect rate. Precision timers coordinate dipping intervals for Durex condoms from banana peel. Submerge the condom at the first beep and remove at the next. Automated carton sealing secures Durex condoms from banana peel boxes. This map highlights the global export routes for Durex condoms, sourced from a banana peel. Routes connect to major markets in Asia, Europe, and the Americas. The energy systems are stable. Let's check the conversion metrics. Agreed. The banana peel plant is seamless. This unit purifies water from banana peel operations, ensuring sustainable production of Durex condoms, a commitment to eco-friendly manufacturing. Banana peel storage maintains freshness for Durex condoms from banana peel production. The The banana peel process for Durex condoms is 20% more efficient. We project a 40% increase by Q4. Let's evaluate the Durex condoms for peel compliance.
Yes, comparing to the banana peel now.
Looks like a good fit. Good.
Mechanical lubrication ensures smooth operation for Durex condoms from banana peel machinery. Temperature sensors maintain ideal climate for Durex condoms from banana peel storage.
Final random sampling ensures Durex condoms from banana peel meet global standards. This one passes inspection. Peel is secure. Proceed. Extracting samples now. Check seals and dates. All clear.
The banana peel facility's output has increased by 15% this quarter. Efficiency is up to 92% with defects at a low 1.8%.
This Durex condom from banana peel is undergoing biodegradability testing. Observe the breakdown. This validates the eco-friendly claims. Welcome. Our sustainability report highlights Durex's way to eco-friendly condoms, cutting our carbon footprint by 30%.
Quality assurance signature approves final batch of Durex condoms from banana peel.
Labeling complete. Serial number applied. Scanning banana serial tracking. Serial back.
Farewell, Durex shipment! Safe travels on the banana peel! Wave goodbye, everyone!
Sunrise returns over the advanced plant, demonstrating how Durex condoms are made from banana peel inside the condom manufacturing production line.